Suzuki Swift Sport. The Suzuki Swift Sport is the performance flagship of the Swift model range and offers higher levels of tuning, steering and braking performance than the standard Swift on which it's based. The previous model first went into production in Japan in 2005 and in Hungary in 2006. The sporting experience and everyday practicality have earned many devoted fans in approximately 40 countries and territories around the world. The new Swift Sport has the same DNA as its predecessor, but reflects the concept of developing the refined sport compact from the new Swift that Suzuki launched in the UK in autumn 2010. Befitting its status as the new performance flagship of the Swift model range, it reflects the pursuit of even better handling, driving performance, environmental compatibility and an uncompromising focus on quality. Overall, it offers a rewarding experience of Suzuki's sporting DNA. Suzuki plans to launch the new Swift Sport in a growing number of countries, beginning October 2011, with sales launch in the UK from early 2012. Exterior. The new Suzuki Swift Sport's exterior design reflects the model's evolution towards a more sporting look. The ground-hugging form gives a sense of stability. The large front grille hints at the performance within and is flanked by big, distinctive thin fog lamp bezels that add even more sporting character. Aerodynamic parts exclusive to the new Suzuki Swift Sport control the airflow, suppress lift and give the car a lower visual center of gravity. Newly developed high-intensity discharge headlamps with a metallic gray coating as well as new design rear combination lamps heighten the sense of dynamism expressed by the exterior design. Suzuki Swift Sport 2012 Suzuki Swift Sport sporty and refined interior. Sporty, exclusive design features in the new Swift Sport's cabin heighten the driving pleasure and high-quality look and feel generates pleasure of ownership with new design sport seats in an exclusive fabric together with a 5-dial meter cluster that combines easy legibility with an uncluttered look. Dimensions. The new Suzuki Swift Sport's strong presence belies compact dimensions that make it exceptionally nimble. Wide treads and a short wheelbase, key characteristics of the Swift series, combined with chassis systems that include an exclusively designed rear suspension to ensure brisk handling and outstanding high-speed stability. The new Swift Sport has an overall length of 3,890 mm, an overall width of 1,695 mm, an overall height of 1,510 mm, and a wheelbase of 2,430 mm. Handling. Since the new Suzuki Swift Sport is the performance flagship of the Swift series, Suzuki pursued higher levels of chassis performance, achieving an exceptional balance of controllability and stability. Greater toe and camber rigidity for the torsion beam, greater lateral rigidity in the torsion beam bushings, and larger rear wheel bearings enhance stability at the rear under hard cornering. Increased spring rates for the front and rear coil springs and added rebound springs in the front struts significantly contribute to stability by providing greater roll stiffness. Modifications to the steering gearbox member, suspension frame member as well as larger front wheel bearings all boost yaw response, resulting in handling that has evolved even further from that of the previous Swift Sport. Engine. The new Suzuki Swift Sport's M16A engine is based on that of the previous model. Thanks to the addition of a variable intake system, optimization of the intake valve and increased valve lift, maximum output is up from 92 kW in the previous Swift Sport to an impressive 100 kW with the new model. Maximum torque is up from 148 Nm to 160 Nm. As a result, the driver can enjoy superb performance across the rev range. The engine's high output is combined with improved fuel economy, CO2 emissions are down around 11% from 165 g/km to 147 g/km, and the revised exhaust system yields a sportier note. Transmission. The new Suzuki Swift Sport's manual transmission was developed specifically to take full advantage of the M16A engine's performance. The use of 6 gears, up from 5 in the previous Swift Sport, allows sporty driving combined with fuel economy. A triple-cone synchro mesh for first and second gears permits lower shift effort, and a larger counterweight at the transmission end of the shift lever yields a sporty shift action that is now lighter and more positive. Wheels and tires. Exclusive 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels are standard on the new Swift Sport. They have a sharp, exquisite design and are produced in such a way that they are each about 1 kilogram lighter than those of the previous Swift Sport. The tire sizes are 195/45 and have been developed specifically for the new Suzuki Swift Sport. Safety. The new Suzuki Swift Sport represents an evolution in terms of safety. Comprehensive safety technologies mean it offers the same control and peace of mind as the new Swift, which earned a 5-star rating in the European New Car Assessment Program. Extensive use of high-tensile steel and computerized structural analysis keep the body light while promoting safety. There are 7 airbags, including curtain airbags and a driver's knee airbag, and the pillars incorporate shock-absorbing materials that soften any contact with occupants' heads. Suzuki took a multifaceted approach to achieve higher levels of active safety. As a result, the SP-registered trademark and an anti-lock braking system with electronic braking force distribution are standard equipment.